Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are looking on how to find percentage increase and decrease. Today, I'm going to show you the easy way to find percentage increase and percentage decrease. Example, question number 1 says, find the percentage increase from 20 to 25. Here, I'm going to have two components, a percentage component and quantity. What I supposed to know is that origin carries 100%. This is what I supposed to note. From our question, let's go and find what is origin. What they say, find percentage increase from 20 to 25. So automatically 20 is the origin. This origin, we say it carries 100%. 20 is a quantity. So the quantity of 20 carries 100%. And they say that it increased from 20 to 25. This is in quantity. Now, the quantity increase is equal to 25, take away the origin, which is 20. We get it increased by 5. Now I'm going to ask myself, this increase in quantity of 5 is equal to what percent? Now, 5 in quantity correspond to what percentage? I'm going to cross and multiply. 20 multiplied by x, I got 20x. This is equal to 100 multiplied by 5. I'll divide by 20. I'll divide by 20. By 21, by 21, by 21, by 20 to 100, it is 5. 5 times 5, I get 25. This is percent. So, percentage increase is equal to 25%. Let us do question number 2. 40% of what number is 32? From this question, what you can start here, they need the origin number, but 40% of it is 32. Now, 40% correspond to 32. So to my percentage side, 40% correspond to a quantity of 32. We know that 100%, this takes origin. So 100%, it takes what origin? I'm going to cross and multiply. X multiplied by 40. It's going to be 40x. This is equal to 100 multiplied by 32. I'll divide by 40. And here I'll divide by 40. By 41. By 41. By 4 to 40, it is 10. By 4 to 32, we get 8. By 10, 1. By 10, I got 10. 10 multiplied by 8, this is equal to 80. So, 40% of 80 is 32. The number is 80. I hope you understand the two questions that we have done together. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.